all over the world. We're at Worlds, Hawaii, 2024, baby. Let's go. We missed the opening ceremony, but we're still here. Apparently there's a card show this weekend, because apparently on the actual floor you can't buy, you can trade, but I didn't really bring any cards. So I'm probably gonna go to the card show, which is at the Ala Moana Center, which is a mall close to here. Look at the Pikachu up there. All right, we're looking for the Aloha card show. Not Louis Vuitton. In the Ala Moana Center, but I just don't know where it is. I've been looking for like 30 minutes. Okay, I think I made it. This is all you have left? What would you do on these 5?
Last two were like 60 and 1.
I know sticker's a little high.
Okay.
Where to market?
Thinking on this one.
Market's what, like 160, I think?
Yeah.
Or maybe less? Almost this? I don't know what this is, like 180?
Yeah, that's fine.
I think this is around 180 as well, market.
180.
And then these, I don't know. I think this might be like 25, 30 bucks.
Kind of like raw price on that one.
Okay. What do you have right now, market total? About 500?
Well, that's 520. I didn't put these in yet. I don't know, like
520. 480?
490. I would
Sure.
have been fine with
Let's do it. 490. Let's do it. First purchase of the day. 490. How you doing? Arvin, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, man.
Big fan of the channel.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. How you doing, man? The guy over there recommended you guys, so I was like, I'm gonna come check it out. Can I just start picking cards out? I'm gonna take out a bunch of stuff. I'll just point if you can take it out. That one, the one next to it, the one next to it, the one next to it. The Greninja, the birds. I will. One table at a time. The Empoleon at the end. I like those so far. Out of this one, possibly the Poncho Ray, depending on what we come out at the end. Now here, Poncho Leafeon, the Greninja Zoroark Rainbow, the Charizard Braixen, the Shiny Umbreon, the 10. Yes, please. The Articuno in a 10. Japanese Espeon, both of them, VMAX and V. Both the Rayquaza Vs. One's English, one Japanese, right? Or are they both Japanese?
English Japanese.
All right, perfect. All right, I'm with 808 Showcase. Awesome group of people. Love Hawaii. Bunch of slabs, check it out. Bunch of Altards, Espeon, Charizard, Articuno, Ray, more Espeon, more Charizards. More Charizards, more Charizards. Umbreon, Lugia, Rayquaza, Poncho, Leafeon, Umbreon, and Blastoise. And a bunch of other slabs. Market on the slab is close to $6,000. We're gonna flip 4,500 or 4,800. You guys have a coin?
Yeah.
All right, you wanna throw it here or you wanna throw it here? Where do you wanna go?
I'll trade it over there.
Right here?
Yeah.
All right, do you wanna call or do you want me to call?
You can go.
You want me to call?
Yeah. Ready?
Last time it was Tails for the other guy, right? I'm gonna call Tails again.
Yeah. You
Tails.
go.
45, 48, yep, Tails. Tails.
Tails never fails.
I gotta say it, I'm sorry. Golden Ball! Do you guys wanna do a deal? Maybe?
But what, like straws or slabs?
Slabs.
The slabs? So this is my half and this is his half.
Okay. So from here, there is yours, or his?
His.
And then from here to here?
No, not this his. This
That's
is mine,
his?
and then this half is mine.
Okay. So these slabs are yours.
Yeah.
Those slabs are his.
Exactly. And then this is Aladdin's.
That's okay. What's up, man? Are you willing to go like a % off market?
Yeah.
Or okay. Because the sticker is a little high.
No,
but-
no, of course, yeah.
Okay. If you're cool with going like around market and then a small % off, then I'm interested in this Lugia, this Arceus, this Rayquaza. You want to take out the ones I'm interested in?
Yeah.
Is that cool? Lugia, the Arceus, this Rayquaza. I'm with Fets. We got 2 Lugias, 2 Gengar Mimikyus, a Rayquaza, an Arceus, a Magikarp, and 2 cute little cards. I love this Snorlax from Double Blaze. Market's around $1,400. We're gonna flip 1,100 or 1,200. You cool? You want to throw? I'll call. Right here. All right, Tails. Please. It's heads. You and my friend. Appreciate you. Tails always fails, man. $1,200. All you. All right. On to the next one. Is it okay if I put these right here? So this is your stuff right here, right? Our third deal of the day. Back-to-back deals here though. Giratina, Carp, Pikachu, Rayquaza, Mew, like basically a full evolution set. The promos, Vs and VMAXs, Espeon, Gengar, Zapdos, another Lugia, a Rayquaza, and a Neo Lugia PSA 10. It's a decent swirl there too. 2 swirls actually. Market is around 2.8K. We're gonna flip 2.3 or 2.4K. You wanna throw it?
Yep.
All right, throw it right here. I'll call tails again. I am 2 for 3 actually.
2 for 3 today.
Yeah. Statistically, I'm gonna lose. Cause it's a coin flip. Right here?
I'm 2 for 0. 2 for 0.
Really, you're winning?
Let's go. Yeah.
All right, right here, I'll go tails. 23-24 flip, let's go. Tails, 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 tails. Fuck, it's heads. You got me, bro.
Thanks, bro.
2400, I told you for Kobe, 2400. You're gonna get it. All right. How you doing, man?
Good, good. How are you?
Good, man. This is your stuff, right?
Yeah.
Do you wanna do a deal on the Pokemon?
Can?
cool?
Yeah.
Are you cool with that?
Yeah.
Are you cool with doing a little % off market, like rates and last solds?
Like how much percent?
Just the same as them. I think I did like 80% last solds.
80%?
Yeah. What do you want to be at?
Did you guys do 80%?
Basically.
Yeah, we did 80. Uncle Tony did 80 too. 808 over there.
I own. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool. All right, let's see what we got here. Some good cards. Umbreon. Charizard. Gengar, Rayquaza. Umbreon V. This. Roaring Moon. Tyranitar. Moltres, and Charizard. Did you want to do it like a flip or you just want to do a straight deal? Doesn't matter to me. See what you want to do at the end. I'll tell you the options if you want to do that. All right, cool. So I'll tell you what I want to pay you, and then you want to say yes or no, basically.
Okay, sounds good.
I had in my head market around 43-ish. 43.50 was market for me. 34.80. Bring it up $20 for middle point. I can pay you just 35 straight, or I can do 34.36 if you want.
I'll just take the 35.
35? All right, sounds good. No worries. Next deal of the day, we got an Umbreon, a Gengar, Zard, Ray, Charizard, Moltres, Umbreon, Tyranitar, Roaring Moon, SAR Zard, and a Parisian, and a Poliwrath. Market was 4,300. We're doing 3,500 straight. These aren't ceilings. These are like regular chases and then insurance cards. I want to be in the low 80s. Look at that face.
Okay, I promise you, I can move these. You know, a lot of people are doing mystery bags. So
Yeah.
I do move them easily at 85.
Do you know why they do mystery bags?
Because they're copying you. Is that what you're saying?
No.
I think that's what you're trying to say.
I'm not trying to say anything here.
There's 2 of them.
There's a lot of people doing mystery bags. And
They
this one,
are.
I know.
They pay high because they need these slabs.
How much for these? I'll tell you what, I'll just pay you straight up. And if you don't want it, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, flip 13, 14. Happy? Yeah. 13's 80%, 14's like 80 something.
No, I'm telling you, I can really move these at 85% all day.
Okay, so what do you want to be at?
Knowing you, you should be offering me minimum 90.
That's crazy.
Add these up.
I can't afford 90 anymore. No. No. I was paying 90% back when I didn't have her. Now I have her, I can't pay 90% no more.
No.
Have you seen her
We used
shoes?
to do
Have you seen her shoes? Oh, that's the Fendi bag, the Dragonite.
Can you ask him to buy that for you?
Can I see it? Can I show the video? Is that yours?
Yes.
This is the Fendi Dragonite bag. That's cool. What was retail on this?
5?
5K? What's it worth? Is it still worth that or is it more?
Well, it's almost impossible to find.
You paid 5 or you paid resale?
I paid 5 because I bought out the whole collection.
You bought out the whole collection? Oh, we got a scalper on camera right here. Scalper pulls. All right, you want to flip for this? You like this? You want this?
She wants it. That was cute.
She's like, I'll take a Fendi Dragonite bag. 1650 market.
It's not 1650 market. Where are you?
At 85%, it's 1400. Are you happy at 1400?
1650 market? Are you
Bro,
bullshitting right now?
I haven't paid listen to me, I haven't paid a single vendor here 85%. Every single one of them, I paid like 80 to 82%.
And guess what? I've been moving most at market. The reason these are here, sir, is because I'm trying to get market. I'm trying to get 100%. That's what it is.
Bro, you should have told me that 30 minutes ago before we started
I said it
arguing.
from the beginning.
Approximately 10 hours later.
You're firm at 320 market on that? You can keep it because I can't put it in my bags and tell people it's worth 300 plus when it's last sold
Here, let's
210.
remove this then.
Okay, this is our argument. So
Yeah, let's remove it.
just because I ghosted you, I'll pay you 1,200 so I can leave. Are you happy? Shake my hands.
Hey, what's the
That's
percentage of
90%.
that? No, it's not. 1278 is
Bro, 1350 was market. Market was 1350. It's literally 90%. I'm paying you 89% right now.
Promise?
Bro, yes, I promise.
So 700, 1,000.
Yes, 1,200 done.
Wait, give me one more time. You said it's 89%, right? That's 89%.
Of 1350?
No, what math are you doing? It comes out as 14.
What'd you add? 270, 40, 260, 100, and 340 on each. These are not 350. These are 330, but I put 340.
1250.
My mom and dad.
No.
1250 or 13.
No, you want 1250. Why would I flip you 1250
No, I
or 13?
wanted 13.
No, you said 1250.
No, because you kept saying.
Okay, look at me. 12 or 13. You throw?
And you're gonna call tails, huh?
Yeah, and I've lost 2 in a row now. I'm with my Korean grandma. We're doing a flip here. Charizard, Ninetales, Machamp, Mew, and 2 Charizard. Market is close to 1,400. We're flipping 1,200 or 1,300. All right.
The disrespect is real.
감사합니다. 12 or 13. Tails. Oh my God.
It's heads.
Heads.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it?
Wait, what happened?